Hey guys, Justin Robinson down here at London Honda. Now, a little known thing about me is I ask a ton of questions, and I'm talking to the point where I get kicked out of my manager's office because I just keep asking and asking and asking, and I'm probably gonna get kicked out of my girlfriend's house for the same thing. However, now is your chance to turn the tables on me. Introducing my first video in the series, Monday Minute. I'm gonna take a minute every week to answer some questions that you might have specifically about the car business, about myself, about the cars. If it's, I can't figure out how to turn my headlights on, you know what? Put it in the comments below. I'll shoot you a video and I'll answer you how to do that in under a minute. Challenge me. Come up with some long stuff so I have to cram it into 60 seconds, but I wanna do this for you guys to make sure that I can answer every single question you might have and help you guys out. Again, my name is Justin Robinson. I'm down here at London Honda. Thanks for watching the first Monday Minute.